sun is rising in the east and now I'm heading north. Cutting my teeth and cutting my own course. I can go all day and I can go all night. Run through the dark and the flames and past the morning light. Tired souls and memories hold up the hands of faith. If I keep the speed to my grave, I'll pay anything for late. Because the ways I've kept keep it down on praying knees. Still I try to escape these demons on my feet. So take me down, fill me up, 'cause I'm running out of room and the bottle's drying up. I'm running out of road and the bottle's drying up. Well, howdy there, pluckers. Ivor Sore Fingers again with hopefully another interesting song for you all. This one is a song from a gentleman called Colten Jesse, and the song's called Dryin Up. Okay. I'm in standard tuning and I have a capo on fret 4, okay, fret 4 for the capo, puts us into the same key as Colten Jesse's recorded version, okay. So let's get to it and hopefully I'll show you how he plays it. Right then, so this basically simple chords in this song, nothing to get too concerned about chord wise. You've got basically an E minor, a G, however the normal G is fine. I'm tending to play it reversed or backward. It's a G chord, standard G is fine. A D chord, and the only other chord is an A minor. Okay, so the song starts off with this quite nice little sequence of just going round and round on the chords, right? So E minor, G, D, E minor. Got a straightforward little run there, yeah? E minor, G, D, back to E minor. Okay, so again. Okay, so what you've got to do is like emphasise the first strike. So it's like hit bass notes, the sort of bassy notes, thick strings. Then you do G, hit the bassy notes first. D, so middle strings. Back to the E minor. So it's okay. Now, so it does that once, and then I've noticed in some parts of the song he puts this very nice little lick in it. Okay, when you come back for the second time, so you do the first route round, so I do play it slowly for you. Repeat. Now at this point it does this, that, and all that is, sounds quite difficult, but it's not really. All you got to do is from the D, so you play the first rhythm bit, and then you do this. So that's a hammer from the second on the third, up to the fourth on the third, pull off back to the second, and then pull off that second to open. Okay, got that? So now you've got this very slowly. second time round. Okay, then he does like 4 strums on 4 sort of times round on the E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then starts singing, and it's the same chord sequence. Okay, just round and round and round. The sun is rising in the east, now I'm heading north, cutting my teeth and cutting my own course. I can go all day and I can go all night, run through the dark and the flames, and past this morning light. And play the intro again, right? Just like the intro, second time round with a little riff. And then he just plays the second verse is all the same. Now on my demo I basically played 2 verses and a chorus and like an interlude. On the full version there's another 2 verses and a chorus. Okay, so I've just played half the song as a demo, but it's exactly the same with different words. Okay, so and then it goes into the second verse, exactly the same. Tired souls and memories fold at the hands of fate. If I keep speed to my grave, I'll be anything but late. Because the ways I've kept keep it down on praying knees. Still I try to escape these demons on my feet. 4 lots, B minor. Now we're going into the chorus, right? And this is all quick stabs. So take me down. Just single strokes on that. G, take, D, me, E minor, down. Repeat. Fill me up. Same chords again. G, D, E minor. So coming out of that last line. Still I try to escape these demons on my feet. I want 4 lots of this now, E minor. Right, here comes the chorus. So take me down, fill me up, and then we go, because I'm running, so now another stop on G this time, because I'm running out of D, stop, road, and this is where the A minor comes in. Bottles Dryin, back to E minor, up. Okay, so that's take me down, fill me up, 'cause I'm running out of room and the bottle's drying up. Now, there's another little bit in that, very simple, is when you've got to the A minor and the bottle's drying, he does that little hammer. Open A string, 5th string, to the 2nd fret, up. So that's what it's, so once again the chorus with the little hammer in. Take me down, fill me up, 'cause I'm running out of room and the bottle's drying up. It's like drying up, okay? And then it goes into the intro again, yeah? And occasionally you'll do that, okay? Again, that's open A to the hammer into the 2nd fret on the A string, 5th string. So it goes, yeah, it does, comes out of that, just drying up. That's basically mix and match those bits together, do your own arrangement. And the only thing that's slightly different, right at the end of the song, he finishes the final chorus, he repeats the very last line. Okay, so the last chorus is like, take me down, fill me up, 'cause I'm running out of road and the bottle's drying up. 'Cause I'm running out of road and my bottle's drying up. I think that's how he finishes it. Okay, so he just repeats the last line. Okay, well, the last two lines, the running out of road and the bottle's drying up bit. Okay, so there it was. It was a nice simple one for you, hopefully. Okay, thanks very much for listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.